innovating for the ocean's future. Dive into the world of 3D printed coral reefs, where technology meets environmental restoration. Did you know that 3D printing technology is being used to revive and protect coral reefs? Scientists and conservationists are creating 3D printed artificial reefs, which mimic the structure of natural reefs. These innovative structures are placed in the ocean, providing a habitat for marine life and helping to restore reef ecosystems that have been damaged by pollution, climate change, and other factors. This blend of technology and environmental conservation represents a new frontier in marine biology. If you like and follow me, you will know more facts.